In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a font in Wondershare PDFelement. Now, the first thing I have to tell you is that this actually can't be done inside PDFelement. However, you have to install a new font on your computer, and then PDFelement is going to recognize it whenever you close and reopen up the app, and then you'll be good to go. You'll have your new font. So let me show you how to actually achieve this. The first thing you have to do, you want to find the font you actually want to add. So I went to Google Fonts over here, and I just found one random font here, and of course, I'm going to download it to my computer as a zip file. Now, of course, you must basically first find the font you need, and then you must download it onto your computer. And then whenever you have it, the part from there is very simple. So let me actually open up my downloads folder to show you how to do this. So as you can see in my downloads folder, here I do have the new font. You want to right click on it. Usually it's going to be a zip folder, and then you want to extract all and click on extract again. And from here, it's going to open up a new folder which doesn't have the zipper. And over here inside it is going to be a .ttf file, or it's going to have like this a thumbnail over here, and that's the one we need. So you want to double click it, and as you can see, it's going to open up the font. And if that's the one you want, you simply want to click on install over here top left, and then wait for a few seconds for this to actually install. And there we go. When the box disappears and when this goes gray over here, so we can't click it anymore, then you're ready and your font has actually been installed to your computer. So to do this, to now use it, what you have to do is, of course, remember its name. So this one is Rubik Bubbles. I'm just going to close this down, and this one too. And you have to first close down PDFelement like this. So you actually, I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to basically close it. There we go. You have to close the app fully. Make sure it's not open down here as well. And then you want to go to the search again, and you want to open up your PDFelement application. And you want to open up a PDF you actually want to edit. Let me actually pull this up. There we go. And I'll show you that the new font is now actually available in here as well. So if I go to the edit tool here on the left, I can go and just basically hover over something here. There we go. And I can click on here. And if I now go and search for different fonts, I can go to the letter R over here. Let me actually find it. So we have, where is it? It's going to be P and then R over here. Yeah, there we go. Here's R. There we go. As you can see, there's Rubik Bubbles, which is the one we actually just installed. So if I now click on it, as you can see, it's going to basically change the font into the font we just added. So that's how to add fonts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.